everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share few interesting time management tips with you all. But before going into that, I want you people to subscribe to my channel if you're watching this channel for the first time, or if you're new to this channel, I want you people to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you get my notifications whenever I post immediately. As I told you all, time management is a very important thing in everyone's life. If you don't manage your time, it is very hard for you to work, or it is very hard for you to do things in your lives. And if you maintain your time properly, you will get successful in your life. If you waste your time, or if you don't use your time properly, you can't do things in the right time, you can't make them finish at right time, so which obviously make you lose something else. So if you want to win, if you want to achieve something, or if you want to be successful in your life, time management is something which is more important, which plays a vital role in everyone's life. So one should be knowing how to manage their time. So the first step in time management I wanted to tell you is set a time limit for each work. That is, daily in the morning you wake up, right? When you wake up, make a to-do list, or write the timings of what all you have to do. Think of all the works that should be done today and write the time, from what time you will start and at what time you will end. For example, you take homework. You may start it at 8 o'clock. Set the time limit from 8 to 10. You think it is homework time. So if you put the time, or if you set some time to the homework, 8 to 10 you will finish it up. If you don't set any time for homeworks, half you may do from 8 to 8:30, and again you can skip to another work, and again whenever you remember that you have homework, and you can start it again. So these things will be avoided if you start setting a time. So the second tip is plan ahead. Waking up aimlessly is like one of the worst thing one can ever do. See, when you're waking up, you should have some plan in your mind, or if before you go to sleep, spare some 15 minutes for yourself and write a list of which you have to do the next day, or which you completed that day, which really make you feel effective. You can work more effective. If for example you take if you're a college student, or if you're a school student, you are in your holidays right now because of quarantine, COVID-19. So if you are in holidays now, you wake up, we don't have much work, so but still if you have something to do, you wake up, spare 15 minutes or 20 minutes, or then write the list which you have to do, what all the works you have today to complete, and by night you check whether you completed all of them or no. Planning ahead will give you more time. Instead of planning then and there, planning ahead gives you more perfection. You can work more hard, which will really make you feel pleasant. You don't have to struggle, or you don't have to feel tensed about it. Before, if you plan, you don't have to feel any tension when you're working. So if you have something to do in a day, please start planning in the morning or night before you sleep. So the third tip is spend your mornings on most important tasks. Once it is said that if you want to eat a frog, it is the best thing to do in the morning. Or if you want to eat 2 frogs, it is the best to eat the biggest one first. This is nothing but, if you have to do things, first you prioritize according to most important, and least important. So then when you wake up, start doing the most important tasks first, because most of us spend more energy in the AMs, not in the PMs. AM basically from morning when you wake up to 11 or 12. So it is said that morning you will spend more energy, or you will be working very fast than you do in the PMs. So start doing most important tasks, or most important things you have to finish in the morning only. So the fourth tip is stop being perfect. We see many people around us who are very perfect in doing things. They want everything to be organized, they want everything to be clean, they want everything to be so perfect that they don't want to do that thing again. But this is harmful at times. For example, you take someone who is a painter. He paints something, and after some time he feels it is not good. He starts painting the same painting again, and it was good, but he feels that it is not good again. Again he starts painting the same painting. This kills your time, this kills a lot of your time. There are many people, even I saw, who are very perfect, and if they do something, they like it at the first time, but and then after a few minutes or few seconds they feel like that is not so perfect, and they start doing the thing again. They do it until and unless they feel it is good to the extreme limits. But that doesn't mean, I'm not telling you people not to be perfect. You can be perfect, but at times that depends upon the things, that depend upon the work you do. If you all like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know something more interesting like this, let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching my video.